Hello everyone, Dr.Shashi continues, and in this video I'm going to share one more word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book Tharoorosaurus. And while giving description of this word that I'm going to talk about in this video, that is Juggernaut, Dr. Tharoor's post-colonial approach persists, and he attempts to bail out a fine word from the negative connotations ascribed to it by the British and the Americans. So this word has a connection with Juggernaut, and I'm going to talk about it in detail. But before that, let me share it with you through the PPT from the current slide in its full view. Yeah. So Juggernaut, Juggernaut, and it's a noun, and it means an unstoppable, relentless, moving force that destroys anything in its path. So it's a destructive force. And if we talk about its uses, Dr. Tharoor has given this cartoon wherein on the landscape of Poland, the Nazis, bulldozing the flag and all that. So in that sense, this image would help you to remember its meaning. And the usage is when the German stormtroopers marched into Poland, the hapless Poles, unfortunate Poles, people of Poland, proved unable to resist the Nazi Juggernaut. So that's the uses. When the German stormtroopers marched into Poland, the hapless, the unfortunate people of Poland proved unable to resist the Nazi Juggernaut. And it is a mangling distortion of Juggernaut, the name of the deity carried in devotional procession in Odisha 4 times a year in elaborate yatras or chariot procession in the Hindu month of Asad. So that's the connection, and this word has been twisted. Juggernaut has been twisted, and it has been ascribed negative connotations by the Britishers and the Americans. So the roots of the word are Jagat, which means world, and Natha or Nath, that means Lord, Master. So the master of the world. However, the word in today's uses is the product of the British and American imagination and does not reflect Indian reality. So that's the claim of Dr. Shashi Tharoor, a well-documented claim, sustained as well. It is only Mark Twain in autobiography who described Juggernaut as the kindest of gods. Today, its usage is largely metaphorical. A Juggernaut is something remorseless and implacable, a merciless, destructive, and unstoppable force that demands blind devotion or absolute sacrifice. Its synonyms are steamroller, battering ram. The Juggernaut is associated with an overwhelming force, natural or more often negative, that cannot be stopped and you cannot do anything about it. And even in sports journalism, people use this word Juggernaut. And one fine example that I'm going to quote from Tharoorosaurus itself is, who can stop the Federer Juggernaut at Wimbledon? So that's in this video. Thanks for watching all the videos on this book, Tharoorosaurus. If you are new on this channel, you may savor the textual taste of rich vocabulary from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's books, and Era of Darkness and Tharoorosaurus. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may learn more from the videos on your way. Thanks for watching. Thank you.